A key step in your lead nurture process is communicating with prospects effectively. But most businesses don't know how to do this. Hi there, I'm Shresi from EC Infosolutions, and I have helped our customers create better sales processes over the last 10 years. Having the right system in place to efficiently categorize, develop, and close your leads will help you create a successful sales organization. We all know how precious each lead is. It is potentially the beginning of a lifelong, mutually beneficial relationship. Whether you are a one-person marketing sales service machine, or whether you have a team of marketers, pre-sales qualifiers, screeners, salespeople, and customer service agents, introduce these 3 simple steps in your sales cycle that will help you improve your conversion rate. Are you ready? So let's start with step 1. Optimize your first response. Your first response should be immediate, even if it's not automated. It can be a message on the page that they submit the inquiry form, or it could be an automated email, or it could even be a text message. What can the message say? Thank you for your interest, and we will get back to you in 24 to 72 hours. And in the meanwhile, you can see our portfolio here, or read more about our product here, or visit our Facebook page and read the reviews, and so on. What else can the message say? Do you need to get some extra information from your lead that you had not requested for in the inquiry form? Create a questionnaire template for this. Or give them a ballpark estimate of your service or product fees. Or send them a case study or a company profile to get them acquainted with your services and company. After your first response, you can move towards step 2, drip email campaigns. Send your leads at least 1 email a month that will add value to their business. Example, what information can you give a fellow business person that will be helpful to them? Write about your company, work being done, events celebrated, recently completed projects, testimonials acquired, and so on. Add some fun facts to your email. What do the top 5 CEOs have in common? They rock at yoga. This will mean that even if you don't close the deal immediately, there's a good chance that your lead will keep you in mind for their next project. Which brings us to step 3, analytics. You can use simple analytical tools such as Google Analytics to find out key metrics of your email communication. Some of these are click-through rate, which will tell you how many of your email recipients clicked on the URLs inside your email. Conversion rate, which will tell you how many calls were achieved based on your email campaign. Bounce rate, which will tell you how many email recipients clicked on your website link but immediately backed away. List growth rate, which will tell you how many email recipients you're adding every day or every month. Email share rate, which will tell you whether anyone is sharing your email communication with their friends and family. And finally, overall return on investment, which will tell you whether your email automation system is making or losing money for you. Depending on the overall ROI, you may need professional help in getting better results in your overall email communication strategy. But I can guarantee you that with these simple steps, you will skyrocket your business volume. May the leads be with you. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you have the next tutorial come your way.